Hi, my name is John. What is your name?
Hello, John. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I am from Spain. And you?
I am from the United States. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here. What about you?
I have been here for 3 months. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it very much. The city is beautiful. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. The people are friendly.
Do you speak any other language?
I speak a little Spanish. Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish and a little French.
That's great. Why are you learning English?
I need English for my job. And you?
I want to travel and meet people from different countries.
That's a good idea. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
Yes, I enjoy traveling too.
It was nice talking to you, Sarah.
It was nice talking to you too, John. Let's meet again soon.
Yes, let's. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.